Hi, Vigilante friends. We got a really cool drop off of some goodies, and as you can see, the dates are actually written on the front of the boxes. So we're never sure if the dates are going to align with what's in here, but they actually do this time. So if you check it out, in here we've got these sweet little gloves. Look how adorable with the embroidery. But of course, they're teeny tiny, so I'm not really sure who they're going to fit, but we thought they were lovely. And then the dress in here that they're shattering is kind of sad. Oh, but it's still oh so beautiful. Look at this 20s masterpiece. Look at the beaded fringe. So stunning. So this is a piece that we would sell on eBay as is for like inspiration, maybe repair, repurposing, but it is gorgeous and we think she's oh so special. We always check in the bottom, see those like remaining beads, maybe like a little note, little hints of like where it came from. And like this box, if you look, it has like the little birdies. Really sweet too. Inside, check this out. So this piece, she was wondering kind of what it is. I think it was probably like a little like night headband to keep your hair in check as you're sleeping. Some beautiful lace, maybe for like repairing things or making like another like friend. And then here's another look, this is the wedding dress too. And again, we've got it, it's shattering. She's kind of falling apart. Looks like along the way, this part is all new, that somebody tried to repair it or restore it. But again, she's falling apart. We've got the original beadwork. These rhinestones were kind of grommeted in. It's all kind of like falling apart. So gently, we're going to take it out. Again, she'll end up on eBay just for like parts or to be repurposed or repaired. But the look at the hemline was all scalloped, all these pearls. Look at these guys. They're like kind of big and chunky. She was kind of bold on her wedding day, wouldn't you say? And then in the bottom, what does this say? Like, I don't know, happy birthday or something. It's like, I don't know, little bits, little headpiece maybe repurposed. And what's this? Mother's beaded engagement dress 1926. And I think that's kind of it in here. Okay, we got one more box to go through. This is like a shawl. Not so impressive, but this, my God, my God. So this would have been kind of like her wedding. Oh no, this I think, yeah. Oh, this has the rings. It's like the fake little rings that were attached here with all like the little flowers draping. And then here is the headpiece. Check it out. So these flowers are actually made out of wax. We often sell these online too, but these are kind of great if they end up in like the attic or in the basement. They do tend to melt. So check it out. They're actually all in great condition, and all the lace is wonderful as well. And you go, oh my God, look, there's actually flowers in the lace. So spectacular. And this could actually be worn by a bride today. It's in wonderful shape. So let us know if you have any questions. We love a little 1920s bridal moment and an unboxing. Thanks for watching, Vintage Living friends.